So here's Lufthansa app, check-in, boarding, and flying. So here's the app. Just, if you fly with Lufthansa, that's basically the app. You can use it. Recognized for its exceptional user experience, seamless booking and management, and easy access to personalized extra services. Lufthansa app is your reliable digital travel companion. So yeah, you can book flights, reserve seats, and add baggage. Online check-in, travel ID and Lufthansa miles, real-time information and flight status, flight ticket and onboard services, track baggage, and all of the things in here which you can try out. And then here's the app. And then you can just register or log in with travel ID account. Then you just redirect into Lufthansa website, and then here you have it. You can book, you can see your flights, you can book it, log in, and more travel alerts. And then there is help in the top right. Kind of handy app if you're using Lufthansa.